today's video should be an interesting one. Now, if you're wondering why I say that, why today's video is going to be an interesting video, the reason for that is I don't really have a plan. There's a few different things I'm going to be doing today, but as far as I'm concerned, there's no plan for today, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, right. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You're probably wondering where we are. So this is mine and a few friends' unit. So this is where we store cars, chill out, work on a few things, and just generally mess about on our day-to-day life, most of the weekends. So today we are with Sam, the owner of Essex Car Meets. You might remember Essex Car Meets from the last video. And we're going to be going to a small cars and coffee meet near to us this morning in his car. It should be good fun. I'll do a quick look around the unit for those that are interested, explain a bit more about what this place is. Then we'll get the car started and we'll head over there. So everyone, this is the unit. So we have Jaguar F-Type race car. I'll explain more about that in just a second. And we've got Sam's Abarth. This will be our taxi for today. So I know I'm gonna get a bunch of comments on this thing, but I will do a brief explanation of what it is. So this is a Jaguar F-Type LM, or well, it will be. So this is a Le Mans car from Jaguar that never was. The car is owned by my friend Dan. I'll put his Instagram or anything on the screen now. He's selling bits from this, so if you've got an F-Type and you're interested, get involved. So this car is set to be a windscreenless race car. What more can I say? I'll go more into it in another video if people are interested in this. Not sure how many of you are, but if you want a video on this car, leave a comment and let me know. So this is a Abarth Evo, no, right. So this is the Abarth Punto Evo Supersport. Very short and catchy name, easy to remember. Didn't take me multiple tries at that at all. This car is in unnamed grey colour that I can't think of the name of. Sam, do we have a colour name? No, it's grey. It's got satin black on it. It's lovely. It's also very loud, which we will hear in a minute. But the car is heavily modified. You won't hear much of me talking once he starts it. But yeah, this is what we're going in today. Hope you'll like it, because you're going to be seeing a lot of it. So this car is running 230 brake horsepower. It is absolutely rapid. Might not sound like a lot by today's standards, but this thing weighs nothing. So this car is running a full, no back box, decat, everything. She's loud and she stinks. She reeks. Check out that interior. Such a lovely place to be. And the Sabelt Abarth seats. Lovely. spots. Oh, she's good. So here we are. We are at Fairmont classic car dealership. The meet looks amazing. Now the last meet we went to at Essex Car Meets was phenomenal, but there was not enough niche cars. Now this meet is more my style. There is everything here. So I will walk down the industrial estate, I will show you everything, and I promise you, there is a car everywhere. No matter where you turn, there are cars. So we'll go and have a look, and we'll walk you through a few bits that have turned up for today. Here's a weird one for you all. The brand new 22 plate Ford Ranger, still with some of the camouflage covering the Ford badges, but there is no hiding what this car is. Left-hand drive, left the badge on the steering wheel. Looks really good. I'm a big fan of it. Great car. Now, this is an exceptionally rare bit of kit. This is the TVR Cigaris in a lovely blue colour. Now, I never used to see these, but in the last week I've seen two. And there was one in the last video I uploaded in that gorgeous green sort of colour. But yeah, you just never see these, and all of a sudden they seem to be following me. I'm not complaining. Insane thing. Completely bonkers to look at. And I should imagine even more bonkers to drive. So here's some guys making a scene. Now you may remember these from the last video at ECM. We have the 458 from last time, the Aventador from last time, both back again making an appearance, looking phenomenal. Now these are very cool, tucked at the back, behind everything. We've got an annoying sound. Oh, okay, that's good, it stopped. We've got two GR Yaris's, one very much not stock, and one looks stock, you never know. This one's got the best number plate in the world, OG Gazoo Racing, obviously, GR, that's what it stands for if you didn't know. These look amazing. Awesome seats. Big fan of these. Now the hype's died down, I think we're seeing more of who actually enjoys the car and who bought them for the profits. Big fan of these two. We'll get some pretty shots of these two, definitely. This is one you don't see very often. The Nissan 200ZR, a proper bit of JDM history. Awesome looking thing. That T-top roof, the vintage looking seats. You can't beat stuff like this. I will look at one of these for hours over any supercar, any day. It's incredibly clean. Here's another one I've seen two of in the last week and a half, 2 weeks or so. Normally incredibly rare, but like the TVR Cigarist, these seem to be following me around. Again, not complaining. This is an exceptionally rare bit of kit. We've got a Subaru Legacy that is, wait for it, not the Estate, not anything like that. This is a normal four-door Subaru, but not an Impreza. Incredibly rare. So guys, we've just stepped outside to film because there is a lot of noise going on inside and there's a lot of music and I don't want to get a copyright strike. So I thought I'd head outside and give you a quick summary of what's going on. There is loads of cars everywhere. That Japanese room upstairs with, well, not Japanese room, the room full of Japanese cars, you know what I mean, was amazing. The scenes going on up there are great. It's extremely busy, extremely successful day with free drinks and food, which is a big A+ for Fairmont classic cars. So we are going to continue to look around. I'll do a few little commentary bits, but not many because there's just no point with all the noise going on. And yeah, we'll get back to it. Incredibly rare car. We have the Lancia Delta HF Turbo. This thing is insane. I think I've got that name right, but you'll have to forgive me. My Lancia knowledge is limited. But what an awesome looking thing. I've seen this car before, but it just never gets old. Incredible colour. Very, very, very clean. Very nice. So the event's coming to an end now, and I just want to say thanks very much to Fairmont Classic Cars, and yeah, it's been a great event. Seen some cars. Sorry the filming hasn't been great. I haven't done many pieces to camera just because of how busy it's been. I didn't really want to get in everyone's way. But yeah, great event, lovely cars. What more can I say? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Like, comment, all that.